Hey guys, what's up? Thank you for 100 subscribers. I'm here with Music Child and Gamer Child.
Hello.
Hi.
I thought it would be cool to gather all the things that we've done on the channel in one spot. So the car, the speakers, the Pokemon, and the Lorcana, and food, which is a small part of the channel, but we got some homemade goodies here. So thank you guys for getting us over 100 subscribers, and hopefully we can keep it going. I'm gonna share some things about the journey as far as starting from scratch and the things that I've learned over the past 2 months, and share some of the data on my side of things. So if you're interested in that stuff, stay tuned for that. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and distribute some packs and start opening some packs. So which one do you guys want to do first? You want to do Surging Sparks or Lorcana? Lorcana, okay. All right, so as we're ripping these, let me talk a little bit about how things kind of came to be. I decided that I wanted to have a project car, and I found this IS300 on Facebook Marketplace, and I went and bought it. And then I saw a really cool IS300 on YouTube, so then I started to get some ideas for what I wanted my IS300 to look like, and I started ordering parts, and we've had parts come all the way from the other side of the planet. And we're still waiting on some parts. So that, as of right now, we're waiting on the actual body kit of the car, and we're waiting on the H-brace, and and then as far as the pieces that we already have, we have the wide body kit, which we've put on so far. We've done control arms, and we have the wrap. I have a very ambitious bird behind me. I have the wrap, and we ordered a new hood since the old hood was too damaged. So all those are going to be videos in the future, putting those things together. And then I did a couple of cooking videos, and we do pack openings, but I'll get more into that later on. The one thing that actually surprised me, because it was so coincidental, is the car audio piece of things. So I didn't really take... All I knew about the car audio piece of things was that eventually I wanted to have a system in the car, and it was just kind of a chance encounter that I came across the subs, the Kicker Solo barracks, and threw them on there. And it was at that moment that I realized that the car audio, legendary, that the car audio community is still very alive and well, versus like, say, how niche vehicles are. So like, only people that have IS300s or like IS300s are going to watch videos about IS300s, whereas car audio is universal. You can put car audio in literally any vehicle. So it made me mindful of that, and it makes me want to do more car audio. So that I'm going to incorporate that into the channel more. And I am not getting anything good. I got one legendary out of this. What about you guys? You get anything good?
Nope.
On the cooking front and the pack opening front, those two things... Pack opening is expensive, and like, unless you're established, or I guess you're very dedicated to just doing pack openings, that's kind of a tough market to break into. And then the cooking piece, kind of the same thing in that realm. So I figure, like, I may occasionally do a cooking video, but for the most part, I think what I'll do is I'll just incorporate that into the car or car audio videos, where it's just something like small in the middle of the videos. I don't know. If you guys have ideas for how I can improve things on the channel, let me know, because I'm all about that. The main thing is keeping it fun. I don't really want to fall down a rabbit hole where I'm just doing things for clicks or likes or views or any of that too. So as long as it stays fun, then we'll keep doing this kind of stuff. All right, which packs you want? You get 3 and you get 3. We've had a lot of fun pulling cards on the channel. We'll probably occasionally still do some pack openings, but with it being like the holiday season, it's been a lot, we've been doing that a lot more than usual. That ETB produced a Bruxish and a Citadin. So thanks again for the 100 subscribers. It's been amazing. We're having a great time putting these together for you guys. If you've stuck around this far and you're curious about the analytics of the channel, I'll share those with you now. So right here, we're seeing that we have 109 subscribers as of today, which is actually the 26th of December. And then we've hit 10,000 views. I think we're somewhere in the realm of like 300 watch hours total on the channel. And then the next goal is going to be 500 subscribers, 3,000 watch hours, which is far, far, far away. Getting to 100 that was my first goal. That's what I've had in my head. If we make it to 500, that'd be amazing, but I'm just going to put that out of my head for now. If we dive into the content piece of things, the first time that I ever uploaded a video was actually right around 60 days ago, and it was on October 24th. And of course, it was a car video. That's kind of the main focus of the channel. But at the time, I wanted to try a couple of different things, the things that I like doing. Now, I'd always heard that you should stay with one subject so that YouTube's algorithm knows who to put your videos in front of, but that's really hard for me. I could have did multiple channels, but I really didn't want to manage multiple channels. I'd like to have just one channel where I do all the things that I enjoy doing. So that's basically why in the very beginning of my videos, you'll see there's the outdoor cooking stuff, there's the car stuff, there's fire pit stuff, and I was just trying a little bit of everything to see what would happen. And this was kind of the result. The first video's got 600 views or so. The cooking stuff doesn't really have very many views, and that's all right. You know, I'll probably incorporate some of that stuff more like in the middle of like a car video or something instead of doing like full-on videos. Maybe I'll do full-on videos. It's cold right now. It's winter time. I'm not really doing a lot of that anyways. So it wasn't until I did the yard sale sub videos that I had a video that actually did any good. And nearly half the subscribers on the channel came from this video. It's got the most views on the channel. It's got the most watch hours. It's had steady growth. It's been awesome. And this is the thing that made me go, okay, maybe I should incorporate more car audio into the channel. And that's kind of the plan. We'll definitely do some more of that. There's definitely going to be more car build stuff, but we'll continue doing car audio in between the other things as well. I tried some Pokemon stuff, the pack openings and whatnot. They didn't really do amazing, and it's very, very expensive to do the pack openings. So we'll see how that kind of goes. There's gonna be some videos of pack openings in between. So like if you enjoy that kind of stuff, if you're here for that, I will continue to do those videos and just mix them in when we're like waiting on parts or we're just in between videos. But as you can see, any of the car audio stuff tends to do better on my channel than anything else. So if you're thinking about starting a channel and you're thinking about doing it in the realm of car audio or vehicles or whatnot, that's definitely something to keep in mind. You know, cars are kind of niche, and then car audio is universal. So talking about shorts for just a moment, this is what my numbers look like with the shorts. I'm hard capped by YouTube on shorts. Once one of my shorts hits 500 views, they turn it off. They will not recommend it to anybody else. And the reason that I know that is that if you go to this particular short that's right here, this one, when I uploaded it, it hit 500 views in like a couple of hours. I mean, it just basically went straight up. And as soon as it hit the 500 mark, they just turned it off and it did nothing else. So that particular short, I feel like it could have continued to go up, and that's just where things are at. I don't know if it's because I'm a small channel. I don't know if it's because there's so many shorts that are uploaded, but either which way, that's kind of what it looks like from the other side of things. So I hope this information is something that helps somebody else out there that might be thinking about creating a channel or already has a channel. And once again, you know, thank you guys for the 100+ subscribers. If there's anything that you guys want to see or any kind of changes you want to see on the channel, drop me a comment, let me know. And I hope you guys have a wonderful new year and take care of yourselves.
Hey, look, it's your best friend.
That chicken.
No,
that chicken
like
loves
the
me.
chicken.
The chicken. Hello. Hello, friendo. That one jumped in my lap.